Is it time to buy or sell SoundHound AI stock? In this video, we will explore SoundHound AI in depth. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 16th of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 10th of April, 2025, our system has ranked SoundHound AI as a sell candidate, giving it a score of -3.4. Let's take a look at the stock's performance during this period. The stock experienced a loss of -5.37%. This translates to an average loss of -1.07% per day since it was listed as a sell candidate. The stock is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decline is likely. The present 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of nearly 48% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from approximately -57% to -38%. In terms of the longer horizon, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of about 60%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance may fluctuate between 53% and 463% over the next year. In practical terms, this suggests a future price range between $11.89 and $43.72. Our latest daily update for SoundHound AI includes the headline, SoundHound AI Inc. stock price fell more than 5.71% Wednesday, closing at $7.76. The SoundHound AI Inc. stock price decreased by 5.71% on the last day, which was Wednesday, the 16th of April, 2025, falling from $8.23 to $7.76. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated by 5.83%, reaching a low of $7.55 and a high of $7.99. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in a total decrease of 10.39% for this period. Additionally, volume increased on the last day by 3 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This could serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 19 million shares were exchanged, amounting to approximately $150.51 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $24.98, while the lowest was $3.50. Currently, the price stands at 68.94% or $17.22, below the 52-week high of $24.98, which is also the all-time high for the stock. SoundHound AI Incorporated, traded under the ticker symbol SOUN, is currently facing significant legal challenges as multiple class action lawsuits have been filed against the company. These actions involve allegations of securities fraud, indicating that investors who acquired SoundHound securities between the 10th of May, 2024 and the 3rd of March, 2025 may have grounds to seek recovery for damages incurred during this period. Firms such as Levi and Korsinski and Pomerantz LLP are actively encouraging affected investors to come forward, with the lead plaintiff deadline set for the 27th of May, 2025. This wave of lawsuits can have immediate and long-term implications for SoundHound's stock price. In the short term, the uncertainty created by the litigation could lead to increased volatility in SOUN shares, as investor confidence may wane due to fears of potential liabilities and financial repercussions from the outcomes of these lawsuits. The stock may experience downward pressure as investors assess this risk and consider taking profits or liquidating positions. In the longer term, the impact will largely depend on the outcomes of the lawsuits. If SoundHound can effectively defend against these claims and alleviate investor concerns, it may stabilize the stock and inspire renewed investor confidence. Conversely, unfavorable verdicts or settlements could result in substantial financial liabilities, negatively affecting the company's financial health and leading to further declines in share price. Thus, investors should closely monitor the developments surrounding these legal matters as they unfold. Analyst ratings. On Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN a grade of underperform with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN a grade of buy with a hold action. On Wednesday, the 18th of September 2024, it was reported that H.C. Wainwright assigned SOUN a grade of buy with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August 2024, it was reported that Wedbush assigned SOUN a grade of outperform with a hold action. On Friday, the 9th of August 2024, it was reported that Cantor Fitzgerald assigned SOUN a grade of overweight with an upgrade action. Analysts have assigned SoundHound AI stock a general strong sell rating. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio similarly as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the stock also receives a strong sell rating from analysts. The following signals have been identified for SoundHound AI. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and so far it has risen 8.08%. Further increases are indicated until a new top pivot has been established. However, some negative signals have also been issued, which may influence short-term developments. The stock of SoundHound AI Inc. is currently experiencing sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, resulting in a more negative outlook for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance is expected at levels of $8.09 and $9.03. A breakout above any of these levels will trigger buy signals. Furthermore, there is currently a sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, MACD. Yesterday, volume increased while prices declined, which may serve as an early warning, suggesting that the stock should be monitored more closely. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a buy signal, which was identified 7 days ago. The short-term moving average shows a sell signal from 2 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a sell signal 17 days ago. The long-term moving average also presented a sell signal 44 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages signaled a buy opportunity 30 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SoundHound AI. SoundHound AI Inc. finds support from accumulated volume at $7.60. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is tested. The stock experiences significant movement throughout the day, exhibiting volatility, and with a large prediction interval indicated by the Bollinger Band, it is deemed to be high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 440 cents between its high and low, representing 5.83%. In the past week, the stock's daily average volatility has been 6.91%. Before we dive into the potential trading levels for SoundHound AI, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important ratio measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is losing money. Even well-established companies can face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios may suggest insufficient profit and carry the risk of bankruptcy. In other news, the next earnings report for the first quarter of 2025 is anticipated on the 8th of May, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are projected at a loss of 7 cents per share. It's important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now, let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SoundHound AI. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SoundHound AI is at $8.83. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, SoundHound AI encounters its first support level at $7.60. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for SoundHound AI from various analyst sources is categorized as a strong sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On the 20th of March, 2025, James Ming executed an insider sale of 28,388 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of March, 2025, James Ming executed another insider sale of 51,196 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of March, 2025, Mohajer Kivan conducted an insider sale of 118,605 shares of Class A common stock. On the 24th of March, 2025, Mohajer Kivan executed another insider sale, this time of 138,895 shares of Class A common stock. On the 20th of March, 2025, Sharon Nitesh conducted an insider sale of 48,639 shares of Class A common stock. Analyzing the 100 most recent insider trades, we find that the insider power is negative, with a ratio of negative 10.778. In total, insiders purchased 6,311,191 shares, while selling 6,944,269 shares in the last 100 trades. Our assessment of this stock is unfavorable, and there is currently no stop loss in place. Is SoundHound AI stock a good buy? SoundHound AI Incorporated presents several negative indicators and is currently situated within a broad and declining trend, suggesting we anticipate continued weak performance in the coming days or weeks. Thus, we maintain a negative assessment of this stock. Upon examining the volatility and market movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 17th of April, we predict that SoundHound AI will open higher by approximately 670 cents and begin trading at $7.77. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding buying or selling securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on the information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at Stock Invest.